Maze Adventures! Hey, it's May from Maze Adventures! And today I'm going to make a maze! I love exploring mazes, so why not create a maze in the forest? I can make it and then have fun exploring and trying to find my way to the middle of the maze. To make the maze, I've gathered a whole bunch of sticks, lots and lots, some really big, wow, and some really small, as we need lots of different sizes of sticks to make the maze. So let's get started then. Yeah! So first, I've got a lot of sticks and I'm going to make a huge outline for the maze. Let's go then. Look, it's like a huge circle, because mazes are usually in circles. Do you think it's big enough? Yeah! Let's fill it in then. Now we need to make a path for us to get from the beginning to the centre of the maze. So we should do the path first to make sure there is a way to the centre. So I'm going to start from the middle and then work to the beginning. Let's go! This is my centre. I've got lots of smaller sticks this time. There! I've completed the path to the centre. It's very squiggly and whirly, but it wouldn't be a very fun maze if there was just one correct path with no other paths. So I need to create lots of other paths that have dead ends, so then we can get lost and then go back and find another path, and then we find the correct path to the centre. Yeah! Look at my maze so far. It starts from here, goes round, all the way round there, and back again, and round here. But we still got a way to go to the beginning. So let's keep going. There! My maze is finished! Do you like it? Yeah! Let's give it a try. So now, there are many paths in the maze, but we need to find the right path to get to the centre. So let's go. We start here at the beginning where the entrance is. Now, there are so many paths I could take. Which one will I go to? Let's go! Oh, now which way should I take? The right or straight ahead? Straight ahead or right? Let's go right. Oh no! I've reached a dead end. Now I have to go back. What? Should I go back the way I came? Or try this new path? Yeah, let's try the new one. Oh no, I've reached a dead end again. Let's go back. What about this path here? Oh no, dead end as well. Let's try this one. Ah, dead end again. Oh, now we're back to the beginning. Which path shall we take now? This one? This one? Or this one? We have 3 paths to try. Let's try this first one. Yeah! Ah, a dead end. What about this one? It's so windy. Oh look, I'm so close to the centre. The centre is right there. Do you think we'll reach it? I really hope so. We've had so many dead ends so far. Let's hope this is the right path. Oh no, now I'm to the outer edge again. Do you think it's the wrong path? Well, let's keep going and see. I'm getting close to the centre again. Will I make it? Yay! I'm in the centre! Where my lovely leafy plant is. Yay! I reached the centre! That was so much fun, making my own maze, and then getting to explore my own maze and find the right path. And all using sticks from the forest. Why don't you go to the forest and make your own maze and then explore it with your friends and family and see who can get to the centre? It's so much fun. Thanks for joining me on my maze adventure. See you next time. Bye.